everyone and welcome back to another Odoo 19 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let me teach you how to create a new department in the employees module of Odoo 19. First of all, let's go to the employees module. This is the employees. So all employees basically fall under a department. To manage these, you have to first navigate to the employee app and then select the departments. So you will see that in the main dashboard, there you will be having a menu. Okay, so just click on the departments, and to create a new one, just click the big new button. So I'm just clicking on new over here. This will be showing or giving you the blank department form. Okay, you have to fill it out. And first of all, let's provide a department name. So I'll give the name as creative marketing. Okay, so that's the name of my department. Next, you can use the drop down to select the manager. It can be anyone, so let Abigail be the manager of this particular department. And then comes the parent department. So if this comes under any particular department, then you can use this and choose the parent department. So I'll put it under the sales. Okay. Then comes the company. So by default, the logged in company will be there. And then you can choose a color for the card. So I'll go for this color. Okay, we have created a department right now. Okay, so this form is where you define everything. So first you have to enter the department name, as you can see. Then you have to select the manager using the drop down. And if this is a new department and it sits under a department, then you have to specify the parent department. Okay, like a sales support department under a main sales department, and you'll select the main department here as the parent department. That's what I've done here. If you're using multiple companies, means you have to select the correct company. And then you can also pick a color for the department card. And finally, if you use the appraisal app, you will be, you'll set the default appraisal templates and service over here itself. Okay. And once all the details are entered, you can click the save icon at the top. So when you save, you can see at the top right, Odoo instantly generates a department organization chart showing where this department fits in your company's structure. Pretty neat. So you can see it's the department organization where you can see sales, under which the creative marketing department has come. Okay. So next is you have to understand the department through the dashboard, right? So back on the main dashboard, let's go back to the main dashboard. Okay. So here the default view is the Kanban, and every department has its own card, as you can see, which shows, like at a glance, each card shows the department name. You can see the name over here. You have the professional services, the R&D, the sales, and all such things. Okay. And other than that, you can see the manager of each of the department and the total employees under each department. Okay. But the real help is in the alerts. Okay, so these shows you important things that need attention for that specific department. Okay, so like you can see the time of requests, you can see one time of request is there, you can see the allocation requests or even the new applicants. So all such alerts will be displayed in each of these card views. You can click on any of these alerts and Odoo immediately take you to a list view of those items you can take actions. So you can see the 4 expenses. I'm clicking on that. You can see it has taken me to the list view where action is required. This is right now in submitted state. I have to do a particular action over it, which is not yet been validated. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, and other than the Kanban view, okay, Odoo gives you few ways to see your data. So next to the search bar, you can see on the top right corner, like the list icon will be there. Okay, and if you click on the list icon, you can see the very same thing, that is the details of the department in a list view. Okay, so you like all your departments in a simple sorted spreadsheet format. That's what you get over here. So like that's how the list view looks like, and also the color has been depicted over here. But for a true organizational overview, you have to click on the hierarchy icon. So this is the hierarchy icon, and it looks like an organizational chart. This gives you a clear visual map of your company structure, starting with the highest level department at the top. Okay, you can unfold or fold any of the department. I'm folding this, so that's there. You can even unfold it from here. Okay, so to see who is in our department, just click the employee start, the smart button you have, right, of the employees. So that will be giving you the list view. So if you click on this, you can see the employees. Open that and it will show you which all employees are coming under that particular department. Okay, that's the management department. So that's how it looks like. Now, this is basically how you deal with it, and that's how you fully manage your departments in Odoo. Whether you prefer the alert rich Kanban, the structured list, or the beautiful hierarchy view, Odoo has the tools to keep your HR organized. So, if you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Odoo tutorials, and let us know what we should cover next. Thanks for watching.